Hey fam! So lately I have been working on doing some thank you cards for my donors. For those of you who don't know, I work for a not-for-profit organization part-time. So I've been making thank you cards for the donors because that's basically how the organization runs. That's basically how I get paid, is through other people's donations. So I've been making a lot of thank you cards to just show appreciations and everything. And so yeah, this is the card that I'll be showing you how I made today. And I've been making other ones that are kind of similar to it. So with like similar style. So if you watch this one, then you can probably figure out how to make something like this too. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment below and let me know if any of the tips that I gave you are actually kind of helpful in your kind of painting or the type of art that you like to do. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys this little travel kit watercolor set that I have that I find absolutely amazing to work with, just because I do move around a lot and it's just really easy to take with you because it's so small and you can like compact it together. And then yeah, here I'm just going to show you that I'm going to take some of this brown color and then two of these green colors. So there's the light green color and then kind of a blue-green color. And I'm just mixing all those three colors together and I'm painting like little hearts. They're just in the shape of hearts, and if it looks too greenish then I add some brown. If it looks too brownish then I add some green. And yeah, just keep going like that. And then here I'm kind of adding in some more leafy shapes rather than just some heart shapes. So they're more oval. And I'm just sort of adding them in all along the bottom half of the card, just in random spots around where the heart, green little hearts are. Next, I am going in with a golden yellow mixed with a little bit with a light brown color, and I'm just making some dots again just around the bottom half of the card where the green hearts are. And now I'm just outlining everything. So I'm connecting all of the dots, outlining the dots and connecting them together. Then I am putting a line down the middle of the green hearts and outlining them with a black, very fine tipped Sharpie. And now I'm just writing the words merci because I was actually just in Quebec doing some ministry, and I'm shadowing the parts. I actually don't know like real calligraphy, so I'm doing the fake kind of calligraphy, but you can just kind of write it however you want to and make it look pretty however you want to. And as you can see, this is the end result. The merci is actually a little bit off-centered more than I'd like it to be, but at the same time, I think it makes it look a little bit artsy and unique. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments if this was helpful in any of your art. All right, thanks for watching.